All right, welcome to Module 8. So this module is going to be a little bit shorter than the previous ones to give you guys a little bit of a break and kind of let you play around with some of the features a little bit. Module 8 is we're going to create add a post or make a post screen, which is just kind of this screen right here in the middle. And all we're going to do here is we're just going to add a form. And we kind of talked about that a little bit on the login and sign up page, but I'm going to go over here to the plus sign and click on the plus, and then down here I've got forms and fields, and you've also got it right here I think under the most used. So let's just grab a form and kind of click and drag it into this first kind of thing here. And forms are tied directly to databases. So it's asking me which data collection do you want to add this record to. And if you can think again in terms of like an Excel spreadsheet, a record is simply like a row, right? So we want to add, for this particular form, we want to add something to the posts. And we want it to create a new post, right? And this will get a little bit into kind of what I mentioned earlier, but these fields here are basically columns within that record. Okay, so we want